Hi, welcome again. In this lecture, we're going to know more about how run-ons and comma splices are assessed on the SAT. Actually, these are two mistakes that we need to avoid, not to choose. So identifying these patterns will easily help you eliminate the wrong choices. But what are these patterns? The comma splice is an independent clause, comma, independent clause. This is a mistake. The other mistake is an independent clause, nothing independent clause. For example, my sister studied hard yesterday, comma, or nothing, she didn't pass the test. The first one is comma splice, the second one is run on, and both of them are mistakes. And finding these two patterns in the test and avoiding them will help you eliminating the incorrect answers up to 100%. Let's see a quick example. Look here. According to Box, a leading Greenland expert, thunder fires in 2012 from as far away as North America produce great amount of soot. Now, this is an independent clause. I see. Then I have a comma. So independent clause, comma. I can't have another independent clause here. So any choice that creates another independent clause here will be incorrect. Again, independent clause, comma, independent clause will create comma splice. So this is incorrect. Especially, I have a verb here. So any choice that creates a clear subject here is a mistake. So some suit is wrong. Some of suit is wrong because all of these are creating mistakes, are creating subjects. Okay, some of the ice sheets is wrong, and it also makes no sense. So that's why some of which is the correct answer, because it makes the relative clause and it avoids creating a direct subject. So the answer is C. Let's take a look at number 2. In 1932, the well-known Mexican muralist David Alfaro Siqueiros was commissioned to paint a mural on the second-story exterior wall of the historic building in downtown Los Angeles. Siqueiros was asked to celebrate tropical America in his work. Now, Siqueiros was asked to celebrate tropical America in his work. This is an independent clause. I see. And, comma. Again, I can't add another independent clause here. Again, he accordingly titled it. He is a subject. Titled, verb, it, object. Okay, accordingly, he titled it. Again, subject, verb, object. Again, it was titled accordingly. It, subject, was titled, verb. So all of these are creating the mistake. So the correct answer is B, which he accordingly titled. So B is the correct answer because it uses the relative clause. Thank you very much for that. See you in the next lecture. يا ليونا، احنا مش قلنا يا ليونا مفيش كلام وبابا بيسجل يا ليونا؟ لا ما تتكلميش وبابا بيسجل يا ليونا.